Today I am going to read Naneshwari chapter 18 OV 12,035 onward. When east is adorned by sun, all direction get bright. Like that, because of this great science Gita, all other sciences get support. Let this be so. This king of sciences had told solution in detail before, so one can pick the soul by hand. But in first hearing, Arjuna may have difficulty, Sri Krishna thinking on this with pity, is telling the same theory once more, so that it gets fixed in the mind of disciples. Now, this is the place of the end of Gita. So, on this occasion, Sri Krishna is showing that from the beginning to the end, it is only one meaning. In the text, the different occasions, what is told giving different propositions. Those all theories are included in this text if anybody thinks so without seeing the references. Then, in the import of great proposition, elements of many theories are included, which was seen in the beginning. I shall end with the same. Here, destroying ignorance in the reason, from that receiving liberation as a result. For these two, the knowledge is only the means. Only this is told in various ways. The detail in this book to tell that again in brief. So, even after reaching the goal, God was induced to explain the nature of means with this feeling. Then God said, Hey, this way the advanced ascetic becomes me and enters in my form. With flowers of own actions, the worships me very well and with my grace received faith in the knowledge. When that faith is obtained, then my devotion gets expressed. With that, he united with me and becomes happy. The soul illuminates in universe, which is which I am, who follows me, knowing my omnipresence. The salt dissolves in water, leaving its hardness, or after blowing everywhere, wind remains immobile in the sky. Like that, who, with mind, speech, and body, stays with my support, he may be mistakes of prohibited actions. Still, other joining Ganges Still, after joining Ganges, the water from the street and the water from the great river becomes one. Like that, after gaining proper self knowledge, the pure and impure in the same way becomes one. Or the difference in the wood of being teak or birch remains only till it is not embraced by fire, or the difference in gold of 10 and 24 carats remains as long as the touch of touchstone has not brought them to one grade. Like that, pure and impure, this I felt like who am one, am not experienced as being everywhere. I am going to stop here. Thank you very much. Come again.